I can't wait to play with this. I'm working right now, so unfortunately I can't pick it up and play with it and try to figure it out, so I'm going to have to do it tonight. But that is my new toy. Look at that. Smile pretty. I'm looking at you. Oh, wait. I got to plug it in first. Oh, man. And look at that. A rear camera. Now, I can't use this very well in my truck, although I think I can stick it out the side of my window, kind of mount it somehow on the side of the window and do it that way. I don't know. Maybe mount it on the mirror or something. But it'll go good in my car. That's not going to work because I need to make it mobile. So I thought what I'd do is I'd put Velcro on the bottom of this, and then I can put Velcro any place I want to put the camera, and then I can stick it up there. I wonder if that'll work. Anyway, there's my new toy. Can't wait for that. Of course, now I have to get a new computer so I can edit the videos properly.
Leave. I mean, like, so tell me now, and I'll just say, like, I've got an intestinal problem or something, and I sneak out. But there wasn't anything, Elizabeth. Nothing at all.
Do not enter.
Just the opposite.
Do not enter. See? Right there. Do not enter, buddy. Probably a resident who lives down there doesn't want to have to go around.
And I think we're seeing, okay, so we did charge. I mean, how many members were there? How many kids were there at the time?
What an idiot. Oh, Cadillac ran a red light. Idiot, you're supposed to be paying attention to the lights, not other cars. Especially when the car. That's an illegal left turn.
Mexico it's our second biggest trading partner in the world. We're going to declare financial war with them. That's exactly what he wants to do. I mean, you know, like I've said before, at some point this guy has to implode.
About that report, and the co-founder of All About the Animals, Laura Jones, joins us as well. We'll do it next. Thompson Espinosa Show, KFI, AM 640. With the drought in full swing and water restrictions in effect, what the hell?
He said it was among the worst cases.
Sometimes people die. It's unfortunate. You know, I wonder who came up, when that started, who came up with that quarter till stuff. You. That's a red light you ran, you twit. She just totally ignored me.
Yeah, I know.
Not only did she run a red light, there's a sign there that says no turn on red.
You know, I wonder about people like that. Why is their car still in one piece?
Well, because they're better drivers than her out there who are paying attention. Okay, I wanted to come this way and show my YouTube people where that pickup truck was. And I don't want to be behind this bus, but I want to show them. See? Right lane freeway, okay, no turn on red sign up there. I don't really want to be behind this bus.
And of course she ignored that sign, or she didn't see it, or she didn't pay attention, she didn't care, so one of those.
Yeah, I don't think she cared. It didn't look like she cared. She didn't look at me at all when I laid on the horn. She just totally ignored me. She didn't flip me off or mouth anything at me. She just totally looked ahead and totally ignored me. But yeah, see? Right here. Sign right there. No turn on red. There's one sign there, there's one sign on the other side. She missed both of them.
Stinky cheese.
This van is in the left turn lane to get on the freeway only. He's got his right blinker on. So where's he going? Is he getting on the freeway, or is he going to try to cut over here or cut into the French road? If he doesn't get on the freeway, he's an idiot. He's cutting over the frontage road. He's lucky none of these people was next to him. This lane goes to the frontage road, not that lane. These people don't pay attention. How about not have a private conversation out in the middle of, you know, frickin' Winco? Go, people! Why is this?
So we can focus.
Oh, because they're running the stop sign. They're crossing illegally over there.
What?
When it's time,
There are two.
What an idiot.
There are
I
two, no,
saw
there are
him
two of them.
dodging the cars.
Yeah, there are two of them.
we provide businesses with a
That could now they have a light they can walk. So they took our light and we got stuck by the light. 'Cause it's idiot pedestrians.
help your business grow and thrive.
Something happened over here. Oh. He lost his forklift battery. Didn't have it secured down properly. And something happened in that right lane that's blocked. Fender bender, people not paying attention.
Which sack of oatmeal is going to outdo Trump? Oh, I know. He insulted Carly Fiorina, right? So it all craters down. We're all breaks into pieces. And by the way, you may think that, well, these people aren't really paying attention to the issues. Don't they know that Trump has changed his mind? He's flip-flopped. He's not really a Republican. He's not this. He's not blah, 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 blah.
Stop back there. There's the library, right?
Yes, I just said that. Go up this way. Go up that corner.
I should have went straight. What's this bicyclist doing? I have to make a right here, but, you know, he can't get up to the stoplight. And if I get in front of him, you know, he'll be all pissed off. Of course, well, he doesn't want to stop. That's his problem. Oh, I can't stop, put my foot down. It's too difficult for me. I have to keep rolling.
There he goes.
Yeah. Then he makes a left. Why? Why? Freaking makes a left. And you should have been in the middle of the intersection, not... I hate some bikers. Not all, but some bikers are just plain...
And those bicycle shorts look kind of see-through. Yuck.
I didn't even notice that. Come on, back it up. Come on.
You got plenty of room. Plenty of room.
Come on, back it up. You can do it. You can do it. I mean, geez, I can park a bobtail in that spot.
I can fit in that spot, no problem.
Dude, you suck. Just pull right out there, you know, don't even bother looking first.
Again tonight, the Broncos beat the Chiefs 31-24, and UCLA, BYU at the Rose Bowl tomorrow. USC is playing Stanford at the Coliseum tomorrow as well. Aaron B, KFI Sports.
Right lane over there, otherwise he would have hit it. Just weaving back and forth between the lanes. What an idiot. Why'd you go that? I don't understand people. Why did you go that lane if you need to make a left here? Anything think of is you're a moron.
One perfect mattress that's engineered for supportive comfort.
Oh, she's looking at her cell phone, that's why.
We're ordering a Casper so we can wake up refreshed.
There goes one. solids up here. Oh, there goes one. Pull all the way out like an idiot.
To your driving. The 500X has the substance of a car that's comfortable, fun to drive, and in touch with the world. Then adds the elements of Italian beauty, versatility, and style. Heir to the Fiat 500 that was born in 1957, the 500X marks the latest vehicle in the evolution of the brand and technology with the development in its
Those are actual live turtles. This whole area is full of them. This is Calabasas. Calabasas Commons Mall. It's got spitting frogs, giant spitting turtles. Those are not real. There are several real turtles all over the place in here, and some goldfish. And koi. Yep, there's turtles all over the place out here. See turtles bobbing in the water. Very pretty. Nice and peaceful too.